I'm your host, Sobia, and today we're getting you up and running with a Next.js project in just a few minutes. Here's how you can set up your first project. Setting up a Next.js project is straightforward. Follow these steps to get started. Install Node.js. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can download it from Node.js official website. Step 2. Create a new Next.js project. Create a new folder on your desktop. Open VS Code and select File, Open Folder, then choose the folder you just created. Open the terminal in VS Code, View Terminal. Run the command bash copy code npx create next app at latest my project. Select the default options, hit enter for each prompt. This command sets up the necessary files and directories for your Next.js project. Wait for the installation to complete. After success, you'll see a success message in the terminal and the My Project folder in the left sidebar of VS Code. Step 3. Navigate to your project directory. After the installation is complete, you'll need to access the folder where your new Next.js project was created. To do this, use the cd change directory command in your terminal, followed by the name of your project folder. For example, if your project is named My Project App, you would type cd my project and run the following command. This command changes your current directory to the My Project folder, where all your project's files are located. Now that you've navigated to your new project directory using cd my project, you'll see that the directory is open in your terminal or file explorer. This is where all your project's files and folders are located. Start the development server. With the terminal in the correct directory, run the following command to start the development server. npm run dev. This command will start your Next.js development server, and your application will be available localhost 3000. View the project on localhost 3000. After starting the development server with npm run dev, open your web browser. Go to localhost 3000. You should see your Next.js project running. This is the default homepage generated by Next.js. Navigate to the src folder in VS Code. In VS Code, look at the left-hand sidebar where your project files are listed. Open the src folder. This is where your source code and main components reside. Open the pages.tsx file. Write Hello World. Replace the deleted code with a simple Hello World message. Your page.tsx file should now look like this. Save the file and view the result. Save the changes you made to the page.tsx file by pressing Ctrl+S, Windows. Go back to your web browser where h/localhost 3000 is open. Refresh the page and you should now see Hello World displayed on the screen.
Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos like, share, and subscribe.